Hello children, today we will start chapter acid, bases and salts. Okay, so acids were derived from the Latin word meaning sour. Sour means khatta, hai na? Since they are associated with sour taste of fruits. For example, citric acid is present in lemon and oranges, hai na? Oxalic acid in tomatoes, okay, etc. Metallic oxides and their hydroxides make up a group called bases. So bases, what are bases? Bases are simply the metallic oxides or their hydroxides. For example, Na2O, sodium oxide is a base, and its hydroxide NaOH is also a base. Similarly, calcium oxide is a base, calcium hydroxide is a base. Okay, salts used. Now what are salts? Salts result from the replacement of hydrogen ions of a corresponding acid by metallic ions. This we will study later. So beta, what is an acid? An acid is a compound which when dissolved in water yields hydronium ion as the only positive charged ions, hai na? So for example, here they have taken the example of HCl. HCl will be dissociated into H plus and Cl minus ion, and here water is also present in the aqueous medium, na? So H plus will form coordinate bond with water, hai na? Oxygen of the water molecule will donate its electron pairs to H plus, that is lone pair, to H plus, and will get converted into H3O plus, that is hydronium ion, which formation you have already studied, na? Okay, for example, if you have taken H2SO4, so H2SO4 will be dissociated as, now it has two H plus ions, okay, so it will be dissociated as 2H plus and SO4 2 minus, okay, sulfate ion and 2H2SO4. So now we have 2 H plus ions. So 2 H plus ions will react with 2 water molecules, okay. One water molecule will react with 1 H plus ion, and here we have 2 H plus ions, so it will react with 2 water molecules and form 2 hydronium ions. So net reaction will be H2SO4 plus 2 water will give 2 hydronium ions, H3O plus sulfate ion, okay. Okay beta. Now next, bases. What is a base? A base is a compound which reacts with hydronium ions of an acid, hai na, to give salt and water only. So base react with H plus ions of the acid and give salt and water. For example, you have CuOH whole twice. CuOH whole twice, that is copper hydroxide. Copper hydroxide is a base, and here you will, I am taking HCl. HCl is the acid here, hai na? So now this H plus of the acid will react with OH minus ions of the base and get converted into water. Here double decomposition reaction is being taking place. Radical exchange is being taking place, hai na? Here the positive radical is H plus, negative radical is OH minus, okay. Now the acid has negative radical as chloride ion and the base has positive radical is copper, okay, copper ion. So here copper will react with chlorine and form CuCl2, and H plus will react with hydroxide and form water, okay. So the reaction, the products will be CuCl2 plus 2 water molecules, okay. So the bases, what are the bases? Bases are the hydroxides or the oxides of metals which on reaction with acid produce a salt and water, okay. So here the CuCl2 is the salt here, and water is being produced. Water is produced from which two ions? From H plus of the acid and OH minus of the base, okay beta. Similarly, you can take metal oxide also. Metal oxide is also a base, na? Metal oxide as well as hydroxides, both are bases, okay. So here I have taken calcium oxide. Calcium is a metal and its oxide is calcium oxide, CO.